Look at this view.
Isn't it great? Wouldn't these baskets be fun to create?
Here is our boy.
A boy who can make anything. Look at the tents.
Aren't they so neat?
With stories and stargazing.
Our night was complete.
Maryhill's got views, art, and sculptures aplenty.
Breathtaking scenery and more.
You want thingamabobs? They got turkeys.
But who cares?
We creatives do. Let's see more.
You want to see the First Nations art.
You want to see? Gotta see their baskets.
Stroll through their entire collection. It's pretty sweet.
There's also a Rodan section that's super neat. Out beyond, in the hot sun.
There's a Stonehenge replica.
And the Maryhill Winery. Thanks for being in our coddy-wumpling world.